wonder, why does God care about everyday choices?
Great question. 1. Leviticus now focuses on everyday life and asks why ordinary choices matter to God. 2. It helps us see that faith is not only about special moments, but about daily decisions. 3. This section shows how holy living shapes a healthy and meaningful life.
So, what does that actually mean?
Number 1. God invited people to live differently because their daily actions reflected who they trusted. Number 2. Holy living was about choosing fairness, care, and self-control in normal life. Number 3. Blessings followed when people aligned their choices with God's design.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, the brain is shaped by repeated daily habits more than big one-time actions. Second, routines help the brain learn stability and wise decision-making. Third, small consistent choices strengthen self-control and long-term thinking.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1. Daily choices at school affect friendships and trust. Number 2. Routines at home shape responsibility and respect. Number 3. Consistent behavior builds fairness and safety in communities.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, holy living grows like saving money a little at a time. Second, small daily choices add up into strong character. Third, consistency creates blessings that last longer than quick wins.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Think about one daily choice that shapes your attitude or behavior. Step 2. Notice how making that choice well feels empowering. Step 3. Practice that choice intentionally every day this week.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. 1. Choose one small daily habit you want to improve. 2. Align that habit with fairness, kindness, or self-control. 3. Reflect on how small choices bring peace and blessing. Remember, Leviticus teaches that holy living happens through everyday faithfulness. God's design helps people grow in freedom, trust, and joy. Small obedient choices lead to lasting blessings over time. If this sparked curiosity, leave a comment and share this with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.